What's up, my real ones? So today we have girl dinner. We have some pineapples with Old Bay seasoning on it. We have tomatoes and we have leftover fried fish nuggets. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Let's take a bite of the fish nuggets with some spicy garlic parmesan. Thank you, Lord. I like this song. I only have a little bit of ranch left over. Let's check out Zeke. He was laid out on the back. Look at him. Now you want to come in. Thank you. Don't start crying. Thank you again, Lord. Y'all, we are so blessed. I love vegetable. I could dip my tomatoes in my ranch. Do I have more ranch? Yeah, I had some Hidden Valley ranch in there. I'm like, ranch is so good with tomatoes and like broccoli and carrots. I love me some good ranch with it. I also have some hot lemon pepper they kind of made me make, and I made it too salty. Nope. It's so salty. I need to add like some butter with it or something and thin it out. My ketchup always has hot sauce. Girl dinner, tomatoes, baby, pineapples and fish. Sauce is on the side. I like mustard with my fish. Y'all, I've been kind of lazy today. I slept in. Thank you, Lord. And sleeping in was like waking up at like 7. But my body won't sleep in later. My husband went to work. I got up with him. Let's see. I love dipping pineapples in different sauces. Let's see. Ain't nothing like a pineapple. I got these fish nuggets from Jefferson's. I'll dip it in ranch. We got Jefferson's famous wings and something. Jefferson's famous wings, maybe. I was mad at myself for getting it because it was fried. But me and my husband hadn't eaten anything that day. We didn't get home until like 11 or 12 at night, and we were hungry. That was the only thing really open. Besides Applebee's, and I just wanted to take something to go on the fast. Shout out to Janae for coming to the house, mobile waxing and mobile waxing. What else she do? I think she do facials and stuff too. I know she can do them, but I'm not sure if she's doing them at the house. But shout out to Janae Hair Studio. Y'all go follow her. On her card it says Janae is Zhane Pika, Pica. Baby, she came. Excuse me. Y'all, my girl came to my house yesterday and did a Brazilian wax. I didn't have to go nowhere. I was in the comfort of my own home. Her vibes are everything. It was funny because my husband was walking around and I wanted to keep the door shut. Yeah. You know, it was my first time getting the wax in the house. I just think it's weird, like if he's walking around looking at, you know, he wouldn't do it anyway, but I just wanted her to feel comfortable too. Keep that door shut. Keep that door shut, baby. Y'all, girl dinner is crazy. Girl dinner to me is just eating what's ever in the refrigerator. I had one tomato left for the week. Leftover pineapple. That was the rest of the pineapple that was in the, that I cut up last week. Baby girl dinner. That's how I eat on Saturday. I'm doing good. First meal at 12. Right on time. Try to not eat too much more. I'm pretty much done. Not too. No more sauce in. That sauce is good. That Parmesan, but it don't taste like garlic Parmesan. It tastes like vinegar. Like a vinaigrette or something. It's a beautiful day today. I'm gonna have to get outside. What my dog called. Y'all have a beautiful day. See, I'm tired. I've been moving around the house all morning.